have worked for 6-7 years and then they are pursuing this program. A lot of American friends of mine, they are already working also and they do this course part-time. I mean, that's how most of them do it anyway. Some students have like zero marketing related experience. They have like, they are in a completely different industry and they want to transition into this. Some people have like a lot of marketing experience. Like it's very diverse. It's very expensive because I live really close to campus, and like, so the area where the main campus is located in Manhattan is around Washington Square Park. So that's called Greenwich Village, and I live in East Village, which is like the adjacent neighborhood. And Greenwich Village, East Village, um, Lower Manhattan, Financial District, Tribeca. So these are like areas in Manhattan which are really expensive. But then there are also areas which are cheaper. So like if you go towards Midtown, so that'll be much more easy on your pockets as compared to East Village maybe, or if you move to Upper East Side or Upper West Side or even upper than that. So those are places where the rent is cheap. Also, okay, so there's another factor here. So you can either share your room or you can have a room to yourself. So obviously that changes the cost that you'll end up paying. But then I'm assuming that everyone wants a private room here. So currently what my rent is it's $3,900 for two people. So I have to pay around $2,000 per month for myself for a private room. And initially before this, where I was living, I was paying around $1,600. Some of my friends also live for as less as $1,400 near NYU. What was unique for me is I've already lived away from my parents in the past. As I said, I was living in Malaysia, so I was living for a year in Malaysia away from my parents. I lived in Delhi for a year away from my parents. So I was assuming that I'm not going to be homesick at all because I have already experience of living away from my family. But then when I came here, it was completely different. So for the first 2 weeks, let's say, I was very excited. I wanted to go to every single place that I had. Like I had a list of places that I want to go to as soon as I reach here, and I wanted to keep checking that off. So I was very excited for the first 2 weeks, but then it started kicking in. So then I started realizing that, okay, like, you know, what am I doing? Like, I mean, you can get homesick, but the only way to fight it is to be strong, because I'd say even if you're homesick, don't show to your parents, because that gets your parents very worried. They feel like I've invested so much in my child. He or she is so far away from home and I don't know how to help them. So don't ever like try to put that pressure on your parents, because they've already done a lot for you. So it's better to reduce any kind of stress that you can give them. So, I mean, you don't ever have time. You have to make time for whatever you want to do. So I have a very busy schedule. I leave at 8:30 in the morning for work, and I have work from 9 to 6 every day. And I have classes on some evenings from 6 to 9. And then after 9 is when I have time to hang out, and evenings. So like right now, after this, I have already a standing plan to meet some of my friends. So you have to make time. It was definitely useful in the sense that I got to know how many other students will be studying with me. I got to meet the whole class, because that is, I believe that is the only time when I met everyone I'm studying with, because then you have the option to choose your subjects, your professors, the time that the professors teach you. So you wouldn't really meet other people apart from that orientation time. So I mean, that is important. Then they induct you into what NYU is, and what are the resources available to you in terms of like public safety, or there are NYU buses which go around Manhattan which are free for you to use. So like stuff like that which you wouldn't otherwise know, you get to know in the orientation part. So integrated marketing is, it has an intake of over 200 students. Most of them come from China. Like I would say 75-80% are from China. There are some Indians, there are some Japanese, like a lot of Asians, some are Australians, some people from the European subcontinent, some people from Africa, some obviously Americans. Like it's pretty diverse in that sense. the integrated marketing class. For me, 2 weeks is a good time because a lot of you will be also looking for apartments in that period. You need that much time to get familiarized with a new place.